Hey guys, welcome back to Clever Kids. Today we are going to learn how to make an ice cream swirl. Before you start the video, subscribe, hit the like button, and give me a big thumbs up. So today we are going to learn how to make an ice cream swirl. So I'm going to show you some drawings that I made last week. So here's one of the drawing. It's a unicorn ice cream swirl. And in the end of the video, I'm going to show you another picture that I made. So first, let's get drawing. So you need a Sharpie, pencil, or pen to make it, and a piece of blank paper. So first, you're going to make a curved line, a smiley face. Then you're going to make another smiley face and then connect it with a straight line that connects both smiley faces. Once you did that, you're going to make a straight line, but not a straight line. It has to be like a diagonal line, but not that diagonal. It's straight at first, and then in the end, it goes a little diagonal. Do the same thing with the other one. See how it's a little diagonal I made it? It's not straight. Then you're going to make a curved line, a smiley face in the end that connects this diagonal line and this diagonal line. Once you did that, we're going to make the cone part. So you're going to make diagonal lines, but you start from the top on the right side. I'm going to make diagonal lines. You don't have to make too much, but I want to be diagonal. So they have to be diagonal, but I'm going to make mine professional. So that's why I'm doing them one by one. You don't have to, because that's going to take forever for you guys to do it. So don't try. Once you did that, you're going to make another diagonal line, but it has to be on the bottom, and the diagonal line has to go from top right and go down from left. Like this. Then you have squares. Once you did that, you're going to make another smiley face underneath the first smiley face. Then you're going to make another one underneath this smiley face. Once you did that, we're going to make a swirl part, the swirl part. So first, you're going to make a backwards C that starts over here. Then you're going to come down. Now you're going to start from the middle and then go another backward C. And then come down. Now you're going to make another backward C and then come down. Then you're going to make another one as big as you can. And then connect it. That is the swirl part. And that is an ice cream swirl. And if you want, you can sign your name. Zoya. And then let me show you a picture that I made last week. So this is a picture that I made for my teachers that I made last week. And here's a unicorn ice cream swirl.